Hey, good day, everybody. I'm excited to bring you this week's sneak peek, which is OpenBOM for Siemens NX. This is Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM, and welcome to this video. I start by showing you here I've got all my NX data as items in OpenBOM. And let me tell you about how I got there. First thing I did was bring my NX design files to OpenBOM Design. I've created a design project called Gantry Robot, and I use the OpenBOM Workspace Manager to synchronize all of that data into OpenBOM. It's a modern data manager. There's lots more videos on this, but all the things you would expect: file locking, check in, check out, the things that you need for management of your design data. So that was the first thing that I did. Next, I opened my design in NX and installed the OpenBOM add-in. You'll see this up here, the familiar OpenBOM ribbon bar. Installs right into Siemens NX. Finally, single click of the button, click the BOM button, and I get all the things that I've come to expect from OpenBOM: part numbers, quantities, thumbnail images, links to files, derivative files, PDFs, all that information, multi-level, comes right into OpenBOM. Let me show you what that looks like. So here I am. I landed a multi-level bill of material with links and information and materials and any properties that I choose to send from NX to OpenBOM. Of course, they're going to be right here, a single click in OpenBOM. And then finally, what all engineers will enjoy is viewing this design in a modern graph. So here I can spend time understanding a little bit more information about my design graphically. I can browse around, where used, composed of, all the things you'd come to expect. So that is the May release of OpenBOM. That should be out in a couple of days, and that is OpenBOM for Siemens NX. Always love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks, everybody.